In this video, we're going to walk through some basic, yet effective, strategies for tackling that pesky stop action error message in your control system. If you're seeing a stop action error, it's usually pointing the finger at two main suspects, the motor, or the encoder. So, we'll need to go through a process of elimination to figure out which one's causing the headache and get things back on track. How can we quickly figure out which of these two components is causing the trouble? Generally speaking, we can pinpoint the issue by checking the current. Let's assume that you're trying to open the pool cover, but it doesn't budge, and the error message of stop action appears on the screen. The first thing you need to do is to press B4 to clear settings, and then open the cover again with the button or the remote control. Take a look at the control box screen for any changes in current. If there's just a trickle of current, like 0.2 A, or none at all, that means the motor's not running. Time to check out the motor connections. While if the current is greater than 0.5 amps, chances are the encoder's the problem. So here's the conclusion. If there's barely any current, check the motor. If the current reads above 0.5 amps, check the encoder. Now let's see how to troubleshoot the motor. You only need to do the following three things. First, check the wire connections at the motor terminal block. Second, if an extension cable is used, check the wire connections at both ends of the junction box. Third, check if there is any damage on the outside of the motor cable. If you happen to have a multimeter on hand, you can do the following. Remember to turn off the control box first. Turn the dial to the connectivity testing setting. In this kind of multimeter, it looks like this. Remember to check the icon here is like the sound wave symbol. Touch the two leads to the ends of the wire you want to test. Red to the positive and black to the negative. If there is a continuous connection, the multimeter will make a beep sound. Try 2 to 3 times. If no sound is played, the motor wiring is damaged. In this case, please contact the dealer directly to request after-sales service. As for encoders, encoders can get damaged in extreme weather, usually from lightning-induced voltage surges. If you don't disconnect the encoder in advance, which is the issue. If the encoder is damaged due to extreme weather, you can find forced disconnected function in the control system, and then operate the cover manually. If it's not because of the extreme weather, just watch the HA and HB light. If only one of the HA or HB lamp lights up, or neither of them, check this video for fixes. If you find this video is helpful to you, please give us a thumb up, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.